Hello, I'm Dr. Kowalczyk. Welcome to PhysioSpace. We are here in beautiful Marina del Rey, California, and this is a twisting lunge.
Start by beginning in a lunge position. Grasp both hands together and rotate to the opposite side of your forward foot. Feel a stretch throughout your torso and hips. Pause in this position, then rotate to the opposite direction to balance the stretch. Slowly return to the starting position, switch sides, and repeat. Keep your back knee on the floor for stability if needed. This stretch may help alleviate pain in the upper back and front of the hip. Keep twisting. Each movement improves flexibility and relieves tension.